provide you with several options of bidding a project, you have the ability to create an alternate. To start the alternate estimate process, first create the main estimate and then click Create a new alternate under the Alternate section of the Estimate View screen. When you click on Create a new alternate, the original estimate will now be called the base estimate. You can now enter a name for the alternate quote. The alternate name is normally the reason for the alternate price. For example, color code option, insulated door option, and motor operation. After the alternate's name is filled in, then click Create a new alternate from the Active Records base. A message will then appear verifying that you want to create a new alternate and lock the base estimate. Click OK. You'll then receive a confirmation pop-up that the alternate has been created and the base estimate is now locked. At this point, you cannot view the base estimate without unlocking it and the alternate estimate created locked. Click OK to move the estimate view of the alternate. When the alternate estimate has been created, the system will take you to the alternate info. This screen will look similar to the estimate info screen. Here, the estimate number will remain the same, but we'll have the addition of alt1 for alternate 1 in the estimate number. Also on the screen is the alternate name. If you don't need to change any of the project information or customer information, click OK. The estimate view of the alternate will be a copy of the base estimate. At this point, you can make changes to the estimate to receive the alternate pricing. For this demonstration, we will change the door from gray to powder-coated. To start this change, we'll click on the product code for each of the line items. The system will then take us to the item information screen where we can start the process of editing the product code. Click on the pencil to the right of the product code. You can update the product code by either changing it in the new product code field or by using the wizard. Then you can select whether the system needs to remove the current options, add standard options, or retain current options that are valid. You will have to repeat this process for line item 2. This is an example of how you would change the finish using the product code wizard. After the user selects the finish type for the alternate, click OK. When you return to the alternate estimates view, you will need to validate the estimate again. Click Complete and Validate Estimate. After the estimate has been validated, you will now see the alternate pricing. After you're done with the alternate estimate, you will want to activate the base estimate. To start this process, click Activate Base Estimate under the Alternates dropdown. A message will appear asking you if the base needs to be activated again. Click OK. You'll receive a confirmation pop-up that the base has been made active and the alternate estimate is now locked. Click OK. You'll be able to see that you're back on the base estimate view by looking at the estimate number. Notice here that the estimate number no longer includes the alt1.